Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. I'm going to do a few unboxing videos for you, I think. I'm going to do some games, fresh out of the cupboard, nothing bought on Amazon or eBay or whatever specifically, just what we've got in the collection. So, let's start off with a Tomy game. This is from, I think it's from the 80s, Screwball Scramble. Now, not got a clue about this. I think it's kind of similar-ish to like a mousetrap idea. You've got like a game board where you have to try and get this marble over to certain areas by moving all these levers and knobs. Nothing electric with it. I think there's a wind-up clock there. The back view there of the box. I've done a few of these videos before anyway, so we're doing a little bit of a series now, I think, anyway. So let's have a look inside. A lot of these would have been second-hand or just stuffed away in cupboards for decades. They are quite... well, they should all be alright anyway. So, box empty. Now, full instructions. If you want to pause the video there and have a quick read of the instructions, off you go. Yep, there you go. So, construction. Go that way. Have a marble there. I'm sure it starts there. Right, let's have a look. Where's that go? Goes in there, and then the clock goes at the end. See, there's a clock there. It's got a start, stop. You wind this round to the end, and you'll press start. And as annoying as it is, that's how much time you have to do the game. So what you'll do is you'll push this, it goes down to there, back to there. You must get a momentum going. You must also okay, that's really tricky then. Ah. Well, I can get to the beginning, unless this is the end. No, that'll be the end, where it tings. So, we have, that will move these parts here. That one, I'll have to twist both round, the spaceship and that. I'll assume there's either, it balances on something. So I can't see why or how that would actually... ah, magnet. Genius. So, let's pretend I got over to here. It actually went up. You go all the way around. Careful not for it to fall off, but... oh, hold on. Oh, that's clever. Because it comes off... let me take the clock out of the way. It comes across there, but then it drops straight off the magnet anyway. And let's show that again. It comes round and drops off. So now I must go... ah, now that's done it wrong. So, goes in, gets... yes. Okay, so that is really quite tricky, this, isn't it? You know, I'm actually struggling with this. Ah, there we go. Right, so then I've got this. How does that one move? No. It's almost like a crystal maze sort of thing. Right, I think... no. Okay. Ah! Oh, that nearly went in. Nearly went in. So obviously you'll get a... oh, yes. Right, so that's going to come down this maze. You're going to move, but you're also going to move that one round for it to drop on there. Right, so there, there, there. I assume it's there by now. Ah, there's a hole that it drops out of there with. So, if it's there, I want it in there, but I also need to go... ah, there it goes. Oh no, 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 no. Ah! This is actually quite fun. Right, let's pretend it dropped into there. So we're back on this one again. It sticks there for some reason. There we go. How the hell are you meant to do this in one go? I don't know. How is that meant to go over there? It's not. Alright, so it's on there and it goes into there, then you have to go there. Right, okay. So that's quite insane. So there's it's a good one-player game. You can do it against the clock, against your friends. See how well that you can do against them. I can't get past that part there. Oh no, hold on. How are you meant to get up there? Right, thank you very much for watching. Go out, buy yourself some games, have a good laugh with yourself, bring your friends, do what you want, and yeah, this Screwball Scramble for you, out of the box, fresh from the box from 19... That's a good point, where is it from? 19 doesn't say. So, thanks for watching, I'll see you in another game video, bye for now.